Hello, friends. Welcome to the Leo English channel. My name is Leo Darren, and I'm happy you are here. Today, we will talk about what you like. We will talk about your hobbies. Let's speak English together. Easy and fun. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. What is a hobby? A hobby is something you like to do. Something fun, something you enjoy. Examples of hobbies are reading, cooking, watching movies, playing football, swimming. Repeat after me. I like reading. I like cooking. I like watching movies. I like football. I like swimming. Very good. Section 2. Easy question and answer. Let's ask, what do you like? You can answer, I like plus hobby. Examples. What do you like? I like music. I like running. I like painting. I like dancing. Repeat. I like music. I like dancing. I like drawing. I like learning English. Very good. Section 3. Say what you like and don't like. Sometimes you don't like something. You can say, I don't like plus noun. Examples. I don't like football. I don't like loud music. I don't like cooking. Repeat. I don't like football. I don't like cooking. I don't like cold weather. Now say, I like books, but I don't like TV. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Well done. Section 4. Speaking practice. Let's make a small paragraph. Hi, my name is... I like, I also like, I don't like, my favorite hobby is... Example. Hi, my name is Sarah. I like reading and drawing. I don't like football. My favorite hobby is painting. Now you try. Pause the podcast. Say it slowly. Then say it again, louder. Section 5. Speaking challenge. Let's do a challenge. Say 5 things you like and 3 you don't like. Like this. I like music. I like swimming. I like books. I like cats. I like pizza. I don't like running. I don't like TV. I don't like hot weather. You did it! Section 6. Vocabulary list. New words from this lesson. Hobby. Like. Don't like. Music. Drawing. Painting. Reading. Watching. Cooking. Swimming. Dancing. Playing. Repeat after me and review this list later. You are amazing. Now you can talk about your hobbies in English. You can say what you like and what you don't like. Thank you for learning with me. I'm Leo Darren, and this is the Leo English Channel.